Okay, welcome. What we've got here is an arc welder that decided it doesn't want to work no more. So what we're going to do is try and figure out why. Now, there could be a good chance here that I'm not going to be able to fix it, but you're going to watch me not being able to fix it. Either that or you're going to watch me electrocuting myself. Right at this moment, this thing's plugged in and there's power running through it, but there's no lights on and nothing seems to be working. Let's turn the power on. Nope, nothing working, no overheat light on, anything like that. So let's start having some fun with a multimeter and see if we can work out why this is not cranking. So let's see, shall we? Where to start? So that's our line out right there. So that's our second winding, that's our first windings. This is our earth. So I'll get a multimeter up to our earth, like such, and start having a bit of a probe around, shall we? Let's go to our first windings. Nope, there's nothing happening there. This is, I believe, our heat, our overheat piece thing, whatever the fuck it's called. No, we've still got nothing. Could be our switch. So let's take a look, shall we? Let's unplug this. This is definitely. You know what? Is that not actually even on? Well, fuck me. There you go. It just lit up and turned itself on. Wow. This thing I have tested about 6 fucking times and it did not want to work at all. So, okay, where's our positive side? Right here. And if we get some sparkage, then we're back in business. No sparkage, so it is still fucked. Okay, so let's put positive that side there. Let's just do this again. Stick our negative in there, and let's try some of this. Hopefully I'm not going to blow the asshole out of my multimeter, but I guess you never fucking know. Actually, you know what? I've got something else that might work better. There you go. A voltage pen. Let's see, shall we? Okay. Whoops. That's pretty good. Let's knock the fucking camera over, shall we? Good trick. Right. Now, okay. So what is going on? wonder if that shit itself on that side. So let's shut that down. Let's shut this down. Let's try not to break the camera. Now, those are bridged there. So, this comes off here. Come on, that one comes off there. Those two are supposed to go together, and this one here goes with that one. Okay, let me get a persuader. A few little persuasion tools here. Let's see. Yeah, that is turned off, isn't it? Yes, it's turned off. There we go. So, that one goes with that one, that one goes with that one, that one goes with that one. Celsius. I am sweating. So I'm going to put these together on this side, like such. Now I'm going to pull these guys off on this end. That one, and that one, and that one. Those little bitches together, like such. Okie dokie. Now let's have a look inside this switch. And on the sides here it says live and neutral. These two are bridged here, there and there, so that means when anything's connected to either of those two, they're going to light up on that side and that side. So that basically means to me that all of these have to join together, those have to join together, and those have to join together. And that's what I'm about to do in a second. We're going to join them all together, and that's going to tell us whether that switch has shit itself. It may not have, but it's worth a try. After all, it's already routed, like it's not going to get any worse. Yeah, well, that actually looks okay. That doesn't look like it's bad. They look in really, really good condition. So things are not looking up for me right at this moment. Okay. So get back here. Let's strip the insulation off this, or the little cover, whatever you'd like to call it. Right, pull him off there. Pull that down off there as well. And this one off here as well. And we're going to try and join all these together. Excuse me for 1 second. I'll just go and get some tape. I'll just pause this. Hockey dockey. Burke. Right. Oh, great. Dog's been chewing on my tape. That'd be right. And by the way, this is actually stereo too we're producing in, because you go hello this side and go hello this side. Hello. So hopefully my video should be actually looking a little bit better. We've improved the setup here a tiny bit. Now, I improved the setup so you can quite easily see when I get electrocuted now, so which is, you know, the best thing of all. Watch this video as I get fried. What's brown and crispy and hangs from the ceiling? Well, that would be a carpenter pretending to be a friggin' electrician, wouldn't it? Because I'm a carpenter. Get it? I'm doing an electrician's job. Get it? Get it? Get it? Oh, shut up. I thought it was funny. Right. To wrap all that biatch up like such, nice and tight. They should be all joining. Now let's do it to this guy over here. Let's take insulation off that one. Insulation off that one. It's not really insulation, it's the fucking, the little hood coating fucking whatever the fuck you want to call it. Let's join all these little bitches together. And I think we might cut off our, break off our little zip tie that I just put on there to keep them together. Such. That one together, that one together. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Let me move the camera a little bit. And probably even zoom in a fraction. Try that. Okay, righto. So, let's go to turn this on now, and let's see if we can't get some sparks a-flying. Oh, look at that. That doesn't help either. My earth has broken off now. Nasty. So, let's pull some insulation off the earth here. I'm going to zoom back out. Right. Now, I'm just going to clip that to there like that. This is our positive lead here. Okay, so if all the lights go off, then she's shorted out, and if all the lights go off and you hear a big bang and I fall down, it means I got fried. Let's see, shall we? Okay, got power running through that, and let's see how we go here. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Yeah, woohoo. That was our problem right there. Our switch was fucked, but it looked good. So now I've got a working welder. Well, I'm fucking happy with that. I just saved myself about $130 odd. Ha! Good shit. Okay, let's shut this down and put it together. So this is our positive side, and I need to remember which one that is. So there you go. That was a very quick fix, wasn't it? Just going to put some more, put another clamp and stuff on that. I'm not sure if that's any freaking good. Pull this bastard off. Have a look. Yeah, there's not much to sort of really put it on there with. So I've got some more. I've got some more alligator clips downstairs, so I'll just use those instead. In the meantime, I'm going to wrap this up with some black tape, so I know this is the earth side. Such. And I wonder if I've got any red tape or anything. I'm not sure. What I'll do though is I'm going to wrap these up a bit more. So these are going to stay like this. I'm not going to bother putting a friggin' switch on it. It can just be so when I plug the fucker in, it's on. It doesn't worry me in the slightest. I've got quite a few power tools that I've had to take the switches out of. So let's just do that. Make sure that it doesn't arc out on anything. And this one, do the same. Beautiful. Let's see if I've got any different coloured tape. 1 second. Well, I don't have much, just a little bit left over, so that can go there, and that's where my rod holder is going to go. And when I take it back downstairs, I can put the lid back on it, etc, etc. So let's unplug it. Oh, God, if I can get it out. Oh, bloody hell. Done. Put my multimeter back. Put my handy little dandy tool back. Which definitely comes in handy, one of these little fucking things. This is only a real cheap one. It does from 90 volts to 1000 volts. So I had another one that I lost. I don't know where the hell it went. Probably somebody nicked it. And it was, what was it? It was like from 5 volts to 2000 volts or something. It was actually really friggin' good. So this one was just a cheap piece of shit. But, well, it did the job. That's all that matters, isn't it? So, alright, well, that's it. I got it working. The lesson for the day, I guess, is look, if it's rooted, you might as well have a go, because you can't really make it any worse as long as you don't fucking electrocute yourself while you're doing it.